Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make Shahi Paneer. For that, you would need paneer and basic garam masalas. Take a pan, add 1 cube of butter. To that, add 2 cups of tomatoes chopped, 1 cup of onion chopped, half cup of cashews. Cashew is the main ingredient. Ginger and garlic, green chillies, green cardamom 3, 1 cinnamon stick 3 inches, salt for taste. I used 1 spoon salt. Now close the lid for 1 minute. After removing, add some water and let all this boil for a good 10 to 20 minutes. You can see that they are boiling. I left it for good 15 to 20 minutes, closing the lid. After that, turn off the flame and let it cool. I removed the skin of the tomatoes and also removed the cinnamon stick and discarded. Later, you need to make this into a smooth puree. Don't throw away the water, you can use while blending. Now take another kadai or same kadai. In this kadai, add some butter, green chilli and saute for some time. Now I am adding some turmeric for good yellow color into the butter. Later I have dropped all the paneer pieces. Do let me know if you want to know the homemade paneer recipe. frying the paneers in the butter for few minutes by continuously stirring. Make sure that the paneer becomes soft, not fried. Do not make sure that your paneer doesn't turn brown. Now add the puree which we made earlier. I felt that the gravy is a little thick, so I added water later and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes till the butter oozes out, and your Shahi paneer is ready to be served.